डेफिनेटली बहुत सारे राज हैं सबके कैरेक्टर्स के पीछे, स्टोरी के पीछे, एंड आई थिंक ये जो जोड़ी है, तिगड़ी है जो ये माँ और दो बेटियों की, आई थिंक वी किल्ड इट एंड यू गाइज विल लव आवर शो. एंड हम लोगों की केमिस्ट्री वो तो ऑन स्क्रीन ऑफ स्क्रीन सभी.
Exactly. I was just going to say that
Yeah.
on screen, off screen, दोनों bang on.
You know, when we say we are loyal, what does loyal mean? Sometimes we betray ourselves to be loyal to somebody else.
True.
So my whole thing is, am I loyal to myself? If I am in a relationship where I am not happy and I'm lying about it, I am actually cheating on myself.
Yeah.
So I feel, be clear about what you want.
What you want.
Yeah.
And be as you are. Be authentic. आप जैसे हो सामने जाओ, अगले को समझ में आता है, very good है. Otherwise, next.
हम लोग first time मिले थे on set.
Actually, हमने कभी
all
काम
of
किया.
us,
We've
yeah.
never met before.
Yeah. Even Niyati and me, like हम लोग and we are playing sisters और ये
Yeah.
हम हर चीज साथ में करते हैं. हमारा जो bond आपको दिखेगा, bond is amazing.
Beautiful
Yeah.
bond.
You will not feel कि हम लोग first time मिल रहे हैं, first time काम
Absolutely
कर रहे हैं. Immediately, I think जब हमने काम करना start किया, there was a spark and
Yeah.
हमारा bond
Correct. That
immediately बन
make
गया.
that one. हमारी एक scene है जहाँ पे we laugh
And we have that
maniacally.
laugh. I can show you that laugh. Because I don't know. Come on, beta. No. Start beta. It's a good show.
It's a good
It's
show.
an engaging show.
Yeah.
आपको आप ये binge watching पूरी आप ये कर सकते हो, binge watch कर सकते हो शो को. This is something that आज की audience को चाहिए. So हम आपको
Yeah.
exactly वही दे रहे हैं
जो आपको
Correct. It has everything. It has suspense. It has a lot of.
Rose Garden, releasing today, 17th of July 2025, only on Hungama
Hungama
OTT. Watch us.
हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू बॉलीवुड हंगामा.
Hi. Thank you.
हमने ट्रेलर देखा. रोज गार्डन के पीछे काफी राज छुपे हुए हैं. आपके पीछे भी एक रोज गार्डन है.
जी.
क्या इसके पीछे भी कोई राज है जो आप
ये
बताना
तो आपको
चाहेंगे?
पूनम से पूछना
जी,
पड़ेगा.
ये तो जिसने बनाया वही बता पाएगा.
वही बता
हम
पाएगा.
बिना शो के बता.
सो वील स्टार्ट विथ आप अपने कैरेक्टर के बारे में हमें कुछ ऐसा बताइए जो हमने ट्रेलर में ना देखा हो.
अगर मैं आपको यहाँ बता दूंगी फिर आप पूरा शो क्यों देखोगे? तो उसके लिए तो आपको शो देखना ही पड़ेगा.
वाह, क्या बात
बट डेफिनेटली बहुत सारे राज हैं सबके कैरेक्टर्स के पीछे, स्टोरी के पीछे, एंड आई थिंक ये जो जोड़ी है, तिगड़ी है जो ये माँ और दो बेटियों की, आई थिंक वी किल्ड इट एंड यू गाइज विल लव आवर शो. एंड हम लोगों की केमिस्ट्री वो तो ऑन स्क्रीन ऑफ स्क्रीन सभी.
Exactly. I was just going to say that
Yeah.
on screen, off screen, दोनों bang on.
Yes.
So,
it's a banging show.
It's a bang. And I think nobody could have played this better than all of us, because a perfect Simran, perfect Geet, and perfect
Harleen.
Harleen. Perfect ma.
Totally agree on that.
Yeah.
The story involves playing mind games to test love. Do you think it is important to test love in real life?
Sorry.
See, I so wish कोई ऐसा टेस्ट होता जिससे
Yes,
हम लोग एक्चुअली टेस्ट कर लेते. बट आई थिंक इट्स अ गुड क्वेश्चन, बट आई डोंट थिंक कोई आज तक टेस्ट. ओनली एक्सपीरियंसेस से आप यू नो it's a learning lesson after experiences, but I don't think ऐसा कोई टेस्ट.
But I really hope कि एक ऐसा कोई टेस्ट आना
टेस्ट
चाहिए.
होता
वैसे काफी लोग फेल हो जाएंगे उसमें,
बट हम लोग का टाइम बच जाएगा.
But I
yeah.
think if on a serious note, life is a test in general, you know,
Yeah.
and eventually partners अगर साथ में हैं तो they pass the test. If they are not together, which means they have failed the test. So yeah, I think.
खतरों के खिलाड़ी basically. Falling in love today is खतरों के खिलाड़ी.
See, I think everybody has their own journey.
Yeah,
so,
absolutely.
Hopefully सबको उनकी लाइफ का प्यार मिल जाए.
Yes.
सबका लॉयल्टी का डेफिनेशन अलग होता है. आपका लॉयल्टी का डेफिनेशन क्या है?
Start.
See, I feel life में जब आप sure हैं that yes, you want to be with this person, तभी आप ये डिसीजन लो, नॉट अंडर एनी peer pressure या किसी और के प्रेशर या फैमिली प्रेशर, बिकॉज देन आई थिंक यू नॉट स्टिक टू दैट पर्सन एंड वही लॉयल्टी ब्रेक हो जाती है. तो ये डिसीजन आपका खुद का होना चाहिए व्हेन यू आर 100% श्योर. और अगर आपको और फन करना है, कुछ और करना है, प्लीज कर लो, उसके बाद ये डिसीजन लो.
Correct.
See, this is what I keep telling like all my friends, that I always advise them ki once you're sure that yes, you want to take this, you are sure, not under any pressure, then take this decision.
Yeah.
So I have a little different, a different take on this. You know, when we say we are loyal, what does loyal mean? Sometimes we betray ourselves to be loyal to somebody else.
True.
So my whole thing is, am I loyal to myself? If I am in a relationship where I am not happy and I'm lying about it, I am actually cheating on myself. So I feel be clear about what you want.
What you want.
And be as you are. Be authentic. आप जैसे हो सामने जाओ, अगले को समझ में आता है, very good है. Otherwise, next.
करेक्ट मतलब अगर आप एक्चुअल में साथ में रहना चाहते हैं एंड यू रियली डोंट वांट टू वेस्ट टाइम, तभी यू मेक एन एफर्ट टू बी टुगेदर, बोथ ऑफ देम आर ऑनेस्ट विद देयर फीलिंग्स. दैट्स व्हाट
And as she rightly said, कर लो अपना सारी जो रायते फैलाने फैला लो, उसके बाद come with your eyes open.
Yeah.
I want to know what was your first impression when you read the script? Like, did you predict where your character was headed?
So for me, I'm playing a negative character for the very first time in my life. Like, I've played like cute, bubbly girl, aisa vaisa, So this, when the producer and the creative producer narrated me the story, the first thing that, attracted me towards Simran was that she was a psycho complex character, and as an actor, it is a great privilege कि आपको अलग अलग shades play करने का मौका मिल रहा है. So I didn't want to lose that opportunity at all, and I immediately said yes when as soon as I heard the script I was like, yeah, this character is really nice.
And she's done a beautiful job considering she has such an innocent face. What she has portrayed is next level. And I want to say that about her also. Both of them have come alive. And because it's happened right in front of me, I can see the transitions between the two of them. As regards me, when I was offered this, मेरे लिए जिंदगी में सबसे important है, does it excite me, does it challenge me, does it make me push my boundaries? And if it doesn't, I'm not interested. So this is a character which is very complex, very layered and very nuanced. And that's why I loved it.
Yeah, and same for me. I think जब मुझे गीत offer हुआ, the younger sister, and she is like, कहीं ट्रैक्टर चला रही है, कहीं टेम्पो चला रही है, शी इज बोल्ड, बट कहीं ना कहीं इमोशनल भी है, अभी भी एक उम्मीद है कि हाँ यार शायद मुझे प्यार मिलेगा. तो आई थिंक दैट मिक्स्ड फीलिंग्स अबाउट गीत और कैरेक्टर की बोल्ड भी है, कहीं ना कहीं इमोशन और एक वो भी अभी तक है. मैं बहुत रिलेट कर पाई उस कैरेक्टर से. इट्स लाइक क्वाइट लाइक मी. सो इसीलिए मुझे एक इतना सा भी डाउट नहीं था कि मुझे श्योर था कि मुझे करना है तो मुझे गीत ही करना है, और आई वॉज 100% श्योर कि मुझसे बेटर गीत तो कोई नहीं कर सकता. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम.
Very nice.
Is there something about your characters that surprised you while you were performing?
Okay, so I'm a real life mother. And especially a mother to a daughter. So your bond with the girls was very different. It was not just my co-actresses.
Yeah.
I literally looked at them. Of course, हमने बदमाशी अभी बहुत करी है. But I genuinely felt that whatever they were going through from a mother's lens.
Yeah.
And at that point in time, Harleen is their mother. And the way we were interacting, I genuinely felt my own kids. These are my kids for those days.
And she was also like that.
Yeah,
She was a
she was.
pillar for us, to lean on. Like, it was amazing. Like, हम लोग first time मिले थे on set.
Actually,
And
हमने कभी
all
काम
of
किया.
us,
We've
yeah.
never met before.
Yeah. Even Niyati and me, like हम लोग, and we are playing sisters, और ये
Yeah.
हम हर चीज साथ में करते हैं. हमारा जो bond आपको दिखेगा, bond is amazing.
Beautiful
Yeah.
bond.
You will not feel कि हम लोग first time मिल रहे हैं, first time काम
Absolutely
कर रहे हैं. Immediately, I think जब हमने काम करना start किया, there was a spark, and
Yeah.
हमारा bond
correct, that
immediately बन
make
गया.
that one. हमारी एक सीन है जहाँ पे we laugh
And we have
maniacally.
that laugh. I can show you that laugh. Because I don't know. Come on, beta. No. Start. There's a laughter जो हम लोग साथ में, and I think वहीं से, I think that laughter वहीं से हमारा एक bonding बना, and it was amazing to
Yeah.
have Niyati as my sister, and
Same,
this
same,
is
same.
like एक जो bond है, I think it's gonna stay forever because we were amazing on set, off screen, on screen, and ये सब
Yeah.
चीजें बहुत easy हुई.
And the way we used to laugh before
Yeah.
the shots.
I think
was
we both
terrible.
are as बहुत obvious है, other naughty ones, and ये थोड़ी सी serious
ये हमारा बीबा बच्चा है.
जैसे कि आपने कहा आप फर्स्ट टाइम सेट पे मिले.
जी,
जी.
I want to know what was your first impression about each other and what is it now?
Start, बेटा.
आई थिंक मेरा एक इमीडिएट स्पेशली मैंने मैम को सबसे पहले देखा था, एंड आई वाज लाइक कि यहाँ तो बहुत बनने वाली है. नियति ज्यादा बात नहीं उस टाइम कर रही थी जब फर्स्ट मैं मिली, तो मुझे श्योर नहीं था. मैंने यार स्क्रिप्ट तो सारे सीन साथ में सही रहेगा ना, बट वंस वी स्टार्टेड आई एम लाइक सही जगह हूँ
Yeah.
मैं.
There
So
was,
it
I
was-
think we met only when हम लोग चंडीगढ़ पहुंच चुके
पहुंच
थे
चुके थे.
and रात को हमारी एक रीडिंग हो रही थी. That's when we met.
First time.
And तो even I was like little unsure that
Yeah,
I don't
yeah.
know किस तरह
Because
होगा
हम
क्या
लोग की
होगा.
personalities बहुत अलग है,
अलग.
नियति
Correct.
और
Yeah,
मेरी.
yeah.
But I
Correct.
think show में भी वैसा ही है.
हाँ.
So it worked for both
Yeah.
of us.
Yeah, when I met the girls, I'd never worked with either one of them. But so I'm very instinctive.
Yeah.
So I knew. I never Googled anybody. I was like, okay, let's go fresh. And when I met them, there was an instant connection.
Yeah, yeah.
And I
Yeah.
think ये सब चीजें आप manufacture नहीं कर सकते. Either there's a vibe or there's
Or
no
there's
vibe.
no.
Correct,
Yeah.
correct.
काम तो करना है, हम एक्टिंग करते हैं, वो अलग बात है, but हमने यहाँ एक्टिंग नहीं करी है. हमने बहुत मस्ती करी है और
It was a
दिल
fun
से
show.
काम किया.
And honestly, I think on screen जो भी अच्छा अगर दिखा है, like the chemistry and whatever the product has, everyone is complimenting us that the show is looking fab.
Yeah.
So it's because of
All of us,
the entire-
the
the
co-actors,
chemistry,
the,
with-
it's because
even
of
with Neil.
co-actors.
Yes.
Even with Neil,
Yeah.
I mean, he's not here, but I would say that he's worked very hard.
Yeah.
And of course, he's worked more with both of them.
Yeah.
मेरे साथ कुछ ही scenes थे, but it was great fun working with
Yeah,
them.
yeah,
So
yeah.
it was nice.
You know, a show like Rose Garden, such strong female characters. How important is it for you as women to get such characters and portray it with full,
I think by nature, women are the more powerful gender. Also, I think three of our personalities may look different, but three of us hold the same sort of values.
Yes.
And we're not, we can be roses and we can be thorns. So I've seen one thing about Akanksha.
Panga mat lena.
Panga mat lena.
Panga mat
Yeah,
lena.
because I've seen one thing about her outer personality is very much like mine. Like people are like, oh, ye to dabang hai, bhai ye to matlab. But she has such a beautiful heart. This girl's
Yeah.
upbringing is so.
Yeah.
She's been brought up so well.
She's very humble.
Yeah, she's humble. She's very
humble.
professional, grounded. This kid is equally, she's so rooted. She knows what she has to do. She's a professional. She's gentle and she understands what is expected out of her. So I think that for all of us, we embody that strength of women. That panga mat lena varna to fir kya hi hoga.
It's all because वो दिखता है that you respect your work.
Yes, yes. And we
which is
respect
why-
ourselves.
Yeah. हाँ, correct.
And like you asked, like getting characters like this, I think आजकल ऐसा OTT में
Best
we are
time है
lucky.
ये.
This
It's
is
the
the
best
best
time
time कि
for
ऐसी
women.
scripts आ
True,
रही हैं
yeah.
और ऐसी scripts हमें as artist offer हो रही हैं. And I feel lucky कि हमें ऐसी script. See, it's not an easy script
Absolutely.
because there's a
absolutely not.
strong negative side as
Yeah,
well. जो सबके लिए
absolutely.
देखने में भी शायद बहुत easy ना हो. हमारे लिए करने में नहीं, there's blood, there's lot of things.
Yeah.
But I think that's challenging, and that's
Correct.
what makes Rose Garden special.
But that's exactly what I said. We are roses.
And
It's
we are
what you bring out of us.
Yeah.
And we are thorns. It's up to you. We love blood.
Okay, so tell me one toxic trait about your characters.
Oh.
Toxic. हम क्यों toxic बोलेंगे हमारे character?
दुनिया को जो
Yeah,
toxic लगे.
yeah.
I'm thinking.
But I think थोड़ा brutal है characters सबके थोड़ा सा there is, and वो एक I think it's not very easy to do those things. जब हम आजकल भी stories सुनते हैं किसी ने
Yeah,
drum में कुछ
yeah.
कर दिया,
Oh my
किसी ने
God.
panic में कुछ कर
Scary,
दिया,
scary.
हम भी वैसा
Yeah.
कुछ
हाँ.
कर रहे हैं.
Yeah.
तो I think that is something brutal, and हाँ वो चीजों से मैं relate नहीं कर सकती, but I think that's where
Yeah.
the challenge.
Yes, and
True,
even
true,
for me,
true.
because she's such a cold woman.
Oh
I mean,
my
which
God,
is
yeah,
not
yeah,
so.
yeah. Not easy to
Yeah, not easy.
portray.
Yeah.
It did work on our psyches. We
Yeah,
won't lie.
yeah, yeah.
We
True,
were
true,
a little disturbed
Yeah,
after
we were
seeing
disturbed.
those things.
true.
And,
Absolutely.
We were disturbed.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
so that was
Yeah.
toxic.
Yeah. Absolutely.
You know, as an actor, it is important to have someone who can give you honest feedback about your work, your performance.
Yeah.
So, who is that person for you? Whom you go to for honest feedback and advice?
See, yeah.
Sorry. So my first audience is my director and the creative who is watching this scene. So again, in this Simran, because there are sides that I've never portrayed, like played in the entire journey of my acting career. So to get those little sexiness and yet कि उस सामने वाले को फंसाना है, all of that was very tricky for me. But when the director used to give me the feedback कि ऐसे करना है, so I just used to follow that. So for me now, on set, my director is my first audience, and whatever he says is like patthar ki
Brahma
lakdi.
Vakya.
हाँ.
So for me, I think my instinct is my guide and my director. I understand even a shake of a head and I want to see what the vibe of the. I read the room very well. So I know the spot dada is looking at me. I know the light guy. I know from the inflection of the eye that is it working or is it not working. And of course, I think as evolving actors, we also know when we've done a good job, and we also know when
समझ
we've
आ
not
जाता
done one.
Yeah.
सी डेफिनेटली वो समझ आ जाता है एंड मैं तो मेरी बहुत बड़ी क्रिटिक
हाँ,
मैं कभी भी बहुत अच्छी नहीं लगती
हाँ।
एंड आई थिंक दैट इज वन रीजन आई कीप इम्प्रूविंग
Yes.
बट माय मदर फॉर श्योर वो सबसे बड़ी क्रिटिक है वेदर इट्स माय लुक्स माय एक्टिंग माय वॉइस हर चीज में मुझे बहुत ही ऑनेस्ट कभी कभी मुझे डाउट होता है आप मम्मी हो ना मेरी जो इतनी आप बुराई कर रहे हो
मेरी माँ भी ऐसी थी।
तो आई थिंक इट्स आई एम लकी टू हैव अ मदर लाइक दैट
Yeah.
वो मुझे हमेशा सबसे ऑनेस्ट ओपिनियन देती है एंड इसीलिए सबसे पहला कॉल उनको ही
उनको ही
जाता
जाता
है
है।
कि
हाँ,
सही था
हाँ।
तो शी इज लाइक हाँ सही था बट
But ये
better
कर लेती,
हो सकता
हाँ।
था
मेरी
ये-
मम्मी को सब अच्छा लगता है.
अच्छा मेरी
मेरी
मम्मी
मम्मी को सब अच्छा
को
लगता
कुछ
है.
अच्छा नहीं लगता बट हाँ जब अच्छा लगता है आई नो ये
बोलती
अच्छा
है.
है
Like my daughter is my this
Yeah.
thing. So I'm like, and she like, okay.
and for me my
Sounding
sister is
board.
my critique
Yes.
because she's also from
Yeah,
a theater background and तो उसका जो feedback आता है मेरे लिए
Important
absolute
है, बहुत
बहुत
important
important
Correct.
होता है, you know, कि वो क्या बोल रही है.
Lastly, tell us, what do you want the audience to take away from Rose Garden?
It is what a funny
It's a tricky
Take
question
away.
that you put to us.
To take away is a nice show.
Yeah,
That I
true.
feel क्योंकि बाकी चीजें मैं take away नहीं बोल पाऊंगी. I don't want you to take away that.
Anything from
but
it.
it's a good show.
It's a good
It's
show.
an engaging show.
Yeah.
आपको आप ये binge watching पूरी आप ये कर सकते हो binge watch कर सकते हो शो को. This is something that आज की audience को चाहिए. So हम आपको
Yeah.
exactly वही दे रहे हैं
जो आपको
Correct.
चाहिए.
It has everything. It has suspense. It has a lot of
everything.
Yeah.
It's basically, it's not कि हमारे क्योंकि you know I am an OTT lover. मैं रोज binge watch करती हूँ
Yeah.
shows. So I know क्या चलता है. So
Correct.
this is something that people will love.
So for me, I'm a therapist by training. So for me, it is to understand the psyche. कोई भी कुछ भी क्यों करता है, उसके पीछे एक
Reason.
story होती है. And if you really want to judge someone, you can't.
Correct.
Because each one of us has the devil within us.
Yeah.
And the angel.
Yeah, you know, actually, this is also one of the nicest thing in our script that, you know, none of the characters are shallow.
Yeah. Oh.
सबकी गहराई
बहुत, बहुत.
दिखाई
और
गई
सबकी
है.
stories बहुत
Exactly, because कई बार
intense
ना,
है.
हाँ, कई बार मुझे इतनी सारी स्क्रिप्ट्स ऑफर होती है, तो you know, मैं पहले यही देखती हूँ कि स्क्रिप्ट में शैलो मतलब डेप्थ है या नहीं है, which is why you know some scripts interest me and some scripts I say नहीं यार नहीं कुछ डेप्थ नहीं दिख रहा है इसमें, you know. So this was one of the pluses that the script had.
Yeah, I would
Yeah.
second that. Bhokal.
Yeah.
Full bhokal.
Correct.
I'm sure. So yes, release हो रहा है show and keep watching and give us a lot of love.
Yeah.
Rose Garden, releasing today, 17th of July 2025, only on Hungama
Hungama
OTT. Watch us.